In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow participants to share screen in Zoom in this 2026 guide. If you're hosting a Zoom meeting and you want other people to be able to present, demonstrate something, or collaborate visually, turning on participant screen sharing is a quick setting to adjust. The good news is that you can do this directly during an active meeting, so you don't need to stop the call or restart anything to begin, join, or start your Zoom meeting as the host. The setting is controlled from inside the meeting itself, so make sure you're already in the session before looking for the sharing options. Once you're in the meeting, go down to the meeting toolbar, look for the share or share screen button. Next to it, you'll see a small up arrow. Click that arrow to open the sharing menu. This area gives you more control over how screen sharing works for everyone in the meeting. From that menu, select Advanced Sharing Options, or in some versions of Zoom, you may see Share Permission instead. The wording can vary slightly depending on your Zoom version or app update, but you're looking for the option that controls who is allowed to share content during the meeting. When that settings window opens, find the section labeled Who Can Share. This is the key setting. Change it to all participants. By default, Zoom may limit sharing to the host only, which is useful for some meetings, but if you want attendees to be able to present their own screens, this is the option you need to enable. After selecting all participants, you can close the settings window. The change takes effect right away, so there's usually nothing else you need to save or confirm. At this point, participants in the meeting can now share their screens when needed. As a quick tip, if you're running a structured meeting, it's a good idea to enable this only when appropriate, especially in larger sessions. That helps keep the meeting organized and avoids accidental interruptions. But if you're in a team meeting, training session, or collaborative discussion, allowing all participants to share can make the experience much smoother and more interactive. That's all it takes to allow participants to share their screen in Zoom. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference when you need others to present, troubleshoot, or walk the group through something visually.